Engineers keep trying.
It doesn't always have to go right the first time.
I would describe an engineer as someone who never gives up.
I definitely recommend the Engineering Open Day to everybody. I think it's a fantastic experience for the children.
I think they've gained knowledge that's not easily accessible to them. It's something that we'll go back and talk to other parents about for sure.
These open days apply to everyone across all age ranges. As long as you're interested in engineering, even if you're not, just to see what we do, I think is really great and I think everyone should come.
Teaching young people the options available to them within STEM careers is so important because we don't have enough of that. We need to ensure that young people have the option of creative careers and they know that they have the option as well.
I think engineering is like building and making like the future better.
I would definitely come again because it was really exciting doing all the engineering.
Definitely recommend the Engineering Open House Day. It gives everyone that opportunity to show what they can do.
3 words: fun, interesting and creative.
Best day ever.